Can you believe these chairs are 14 years old? Yeah, 14 years old, and they're ready for many more years of service. Why? Because I painted them. This has been painted a couple years ago, I'd say 3 years ago. They're way overdue. You see the fibers? You see that? You can kind of see the green on the back there. So that means that some paint has peeled and went away. But we're only gonna install a paint boot. Just one coat will do it, and they'll be looking like new again for a few years. So today I'm gonna refresh that set. This table, I don't know. Yeah, this table needs a refresh. This chair. This is a different color. It matches to it there, but yeah, this chair. Look, this was covering the floor here. I just blown it. So yeah, you can see a little bit of the green there. This chair, and if we go up here, now this is an older set. Oh man, yeah, this set's gonna be turning brown too. Actually, that set is the reason why we painted everything brown, because we bought this a couple of years later, and it didn't. Of course, it didn't match with the green set down there. So we painted, that started the cycle. Anyway, so we're pretty much gonna refresh everything, and it's gonna take a few minutes, not long, to paint, and I'll show you the results. You see that umbrella on the back? Yeah, it looks nice, brand new. Yeah. Well, this umbrella was completely washed away by sun, and it was almost white and pink. So you have a choice. Either you invest $100 and something for a new one, which works perfectly, or you invest a couple bucks on that thing. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. This thing works perfectly. Did a nice job on this. Actually, we bought 1 or 2 more cans because my wife wanted that thing coming back red. Yep, the set over there, the umbrella and the chair, yeah, red, and those spots all came back to life with this thing. The paint that we used at the time and will still use is that kind of tram-clad glossy brown, diluted with maybe 1/5 or less with paint thinner to make it easier to flow on the spray gun. Now, in order to preserve the camera, I won't film more painting for now. I'm afraid to have some dust on it, and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm about ready to do the 2 other chairs, and after that is going to be I pick up stuff and then paint it. Can you spot the painted chair and the unpainted one? Yeah. So the paint booth has been cleaned up, and I painted that, gave a little coat on those. The pool needed a little bit care there. I was too busy doing something else. And the most important are these long chairs. They're perfect. They've been used this afternoon. These 3 chairs, the table, and the complete set upstairs. Everything has been done with only 1 can of paint. And believe me, they're ready for many more years of service. So that's Oh, we saved and have this backyard because we saved.